Sipping on bake for the legs, say something. Never tell a pack that I never stay running. Sipping on facts, damn, know I got stacks in the lab. Taking bitches straight for another cat. Make shit while I never had shit. Bitch move, make your motherfucking head split. Cost to the loss, never really gon' play shit. Tell me never really gon' chase it. Dreams to the play, no fake. Hands to the way, niggas know I ain't play. Fans to the break when I switch all day. Stands when I press to the damn arcade. Sticking up signs, read, never mind me. Point to the ground, stick down to the feet. Stay, please stay, bitch, you got no key. Never take a seat, bitch, you never gon' see. Play with the cape when I run along back. Change when I say that I stay with the Mac. Fake with the niggas coming back to the wreck. Late to the game that I watch no back. Walk straight through, don't ask, don't shoot. Run real soon, no cash, no loot. Dreams fall short, no time, never knew. Never no rules, nigga, never no shoes. See no feud, intake, never stop. Got no tries on the goddamn block. Niggas think big, but you still a mark on. Land 10 bricks, never fuck with your tongue. Hands on free as I walk through sea. Eyes on me, bitch, can't you see? Tell her that light still lasts if you need. Stand up, next to the gas for the week. Stand up, next to the gas for the week. Yeah, yeah. Stand up, next to the gas for the week. Yeah, yeah. Next to the gas for the week. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Taking my life, thinking it's right. Switching and missing the point to the type. Washing the thoughts in the back of my mind. Telling that I know for fact that they mine. Watching me, I'm so low. I walk away, your photo. Take money from the locked door. Bitch, move back, what you coming for? Swinging down the water way. Take a dip in the last shade. I come with the landscape.
Hi guys, welcome back to Petrolhead TV and welcome back to a brand new video. Today Simon has brought down his lovely Subaru Impreza and we're just going to go for a little bit of a night drive. So hopefully this video comes out for you guys. If it doesn't come out that well then we'll do it in the daytime, but I'm still going to put this video up regardless. It's a cool little video and a good excuse to go for a blast in the Scooby. So you say the car's running like 350 brake, right?
Yeah, 350. It was mapped by Duncan Graham.
Okay.
At Surrey Rolling Road.
Yeah.
380 foot-pound of torque.
Nice.
So I've changed the turbo from a TD04 to a VF48, which is out of the hatch STI.
Yeah.
I believe. K&N induction kit, STI top mount and under tray,
Yeah.
full decat, and Walbro 225 fuel pump. That's about it for the engine mods.
Yeah. Have you got any plans to make it go higher, or are you happy with how it is, just enjoying it?
I'm happy with how it is with the UK roads. It's
Yeah.
just because where the car's so low, I can't really push it to its max.
Yeah.
So, it's just too expensive to upgrade anymore. The gearbox limited basically to
So
what I am now.
the gearbox is maxed out basically, isn't it?
Yeah,
it's at its limit.
350.
Okay.
Apparently they can. So obviously torque breaks parts, not horsepower.
Yeah.
So apparently because the Hawks have a 2.5 engine, not the 2 litre, they produce more torque.
Yeah.
So apparently the teeth were made bigger to handle the torque, but a lot of people have had it under 300 and their gearbox has gone 6-speed, it's about £3,000-4,000.
Right, yeah, so it's big wad of money, isn't it?
Because you've got to change all the hubs and all that lot over as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't know. I probably will do it eventually.
Yeah.
But it's just a lot of money that I can't really spend now.
Yeah. And I mean, it's you've done an amazing job of it.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks lovely.
So considering it's completely standard.
Yeah. Also, guys, I'll post a picture. I love that feeling. Handles so well as well. I'll post a picture somewhere on the screen of what this car used to look like, and yeah, it's come quite a long way.
I can send you a before and after photo.
Yeah. Yeah, so I'll post it on the screen of what it used to look like and what it looks like now. Obviously, you'll see in the beginning shots.
Yeah, so it's good because I've met a lot of good people through the car scene.
Yeah.
Mainly the Subaru lot.
Yeah.
So yeah, me and a few mates have done the modifications rather than going to body shops and all that lot.
Yeah.
So
a lot of it you've done yourself.
yeah. And obviously, you know, mates have helped out as well.
Yeah.
Because my knowledge isn't massive on cars.
Yeah, no, neither is mine.
But-
Well, I just enjoy it.
Yeah.
I appreciate them.
I know what I've got on my car.
Yeah.
But yeah, so I'm still learning.
Yeah, yeah. No, I mean,
but I mean
I am
you'll
as well.
learn as well. So yeah. The problem is when you're trying to learn in today's car scene, it's so bitchy and people
Yeah.
are so quick to
Judge you.
not judge you, but put up like a sarcastic comment for likes.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
like even if it's just like, what oil do I put in? Someone's trying to learn, do you know what I mean?
Exactly. Yeah.
So if you can help someone out, help them.
We need a lot more people
Don't
like
slate
that.
them. Do you know what I mean? Yeah.
I mean, unfortunately, I think there's so many people now that are ruining it.
Yeah. I mean, a lot of people get their back up about, finance cars. And
Yeah.
all this lot. At the end of the day, if they're a petrol head,
It doesn't matter, does it?
No, it's all what you can afford.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? It's
Yeah.
like if you earn sort of 60k a year and I earn 30k a year, my priorities are going to differentiate, or however you say it,
Yeah.
to what I can do.
Yeah.
Because you've got twice the amount of money as I have.
Yeah, exactly,
It's
yeah.
as simple as that.
Yeah.
So, you might say if you had a Subaru, like you might go to, a garage and get, say ABW arches or Carlton flares.
Yeah.
Well, it's 300 quid just for the flares. They don't come painted. You've got to cut and weld the arches. It's not cheap. It's over £1,000 to do.
Yeah.
Unless you sort of know the person who can do it. I mean, my arches were 128 quid off eBay.
Yeah.
Me and my mate fitted them on the drive. I haven't cut the arches.
I appreciate all that a lot more than I do the people that have bought really expensive parts. It means more, doesn't it? Especially when you've done it yourself and you look at it and you think, oh wow, I did that and I love it. Like that's mine. Sounds so good, doesn't it?
It's not bad, is it?
Like, is this going to be a long-term thing? How long do you think you can have it? I mean, it's a hard question, really, isn't it? But like, any future plans, maybe to move on eventually?
I'd like to say forever, but
yeah.
I mean, obviously, my dream car.
Yeah. What is your dream car?
Is an R34 GTR.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I've got one of them. I'm going to be filming.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, yeah. Lovely cars, aren't they? They're so expensive now.
Yeah.
They're going up and up and up.
Yeah. For one in good condition, you're looking, 60k up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think. Yeah.
Adulting comes first.
Yeah.
coming down in price.
They are. You can get one for like 30 grand.
Yeah.
Yeah, so half the price.
Yeah.
Not 34.
Yeah, but I mean, you know, because of Fast and Furious, it
Yeah.
made the offer, unfortunately.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So that's why it's so expensive.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, the R35 is a good car. I only found out that the other day that they're only four-wheel drive on launch. Then they go to rear-wheel drive. Did you know that?
No.
It's mental, isn't it?
Yeah, I didn't know that. I thought they were always just
No.
four-wheel drive
I thought
constantly.
they were as well.
Okay.
But yeah, apparently not.
No,
But yeah,
thank you.
that's
Let
it.
me
No
fill your
worries,
car.
mate. No worries.
Yeah. So I think we'll wrap
been
up.
fun.
Yeah, I think we'll wrap up the video there. Remember to leave a big thumbs up on the video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next one.
Peace.
Yeah.